Hello students, welcome back to Gradebooster. Today our topic is the successes and failures of Satyagraha. So this topic is from the lesson Nationalism in India. So if you want to see the full chapter video of this lesson, you can click the link that is given below in the description. So you can watch the full length video, the complete lesson. But in this particular video, we are going to talk very important details about Satyagraha. So that is in the exam point of view. So what are the successes happened with Satyagraha? The benefits happened to us by this method of Satyagraha. And what are its drawbacks or limitations we are going to see. So now, what is this Satyagraha? So Gandhiji, he introduced Satyagraha as a new method of struggle based on truth, non-violence and moral force. So on basing these three things, this Satyagraha works. So Gandhiji used this Satyagraha in his freedom fight to fight against the British. Right? So before Gandhi, so many leaders, they fought for independence of India. Many kings, many rulers and many leaders. But they used the violent method, retaliation. So whatever the British done to the people, these people used to revolt. But here this is a different one which is based on truth, non-violence and moral force. So this Satyagraha, it became the foundation of mass movements. Two mass movements, major movements happened in Indian independence struggle. That is one non-cooperation movement and the second one civil disobedience movement. So Satyagraha is the base for this non-cooperation movement and civil disobedience movement. Now let us see the successes of Satyagraha. So how this Satyagraha helped in our freedom fight? The first one is mass participation. Because of Satyagraha, people participated in large number of various groups. Earlier in olden days, when the freedom fight was going on, that time only the leaders, only the kings or the rulers used to take their army to the fight. But because of this Satyagraha, people of different groups involved in that freedom fight. Who are they? Peasants. For the first time, peasants, workers, women and students actively joined the freedom struggle, joined the national movement. So nationalism spread from cities to villages. Because of Satyagraha, the nationalism spread from cities to villages. Second one, moral pressure on British rule. Satyagraha, it kept moral pressure. It highlighted the unjustified things done by the British. So these things are made public to the world. So people came to know how unjustful these people are and how harsh their laws. Satyagraha exposed the harsh and unjust nature of colonial laws. The main laws are Rowlatt Act and Salt Law. So Rowlatt Act and Salt Law. What is Salt Law? Tax on salt. Right? So it exposed the nature of British to the public. British authorities, they faced the moral criticism. So when people came to know about that the salt is taxed, which is used by every person, every individual. So that salt is taxed. So it exposed the British nature. So they faced the moral criticism from inside, that is within India and outside the country also, abroad also. The other one, third one, national unity and political awareness. That was brought by Satyagraha, one of these successes. National unity. So in our nation, in our country, there are so many regions with different languages and all. So it brought all the people together, that is national unity and political awareness. People came to know about the politics. People came to know about the laws that were made by the British and how they are harming our nation. Those things people got aware. So use of symbols like Khadi, national flag and boycott of foreign goods. Khadi, giving importance to the Khadi, people came to understand that okay, so we should be self-reliant and so the things that are made in our country, giving priority to that. and national flag. So this national flag, it brought that nationalistic feeling. Yes, we all belong to this nation. So this is our flag. And boycott of foreign goods. So boycotting foreign goods. It created a sense of collective being. Foreign goods we should not use. We should use indigenous goods. So all this brought the nationalistic feeling. So people began to identify themselves as a part of single nation. Next, successful mobilization through simple issues. Successful mobilization, bringing so many people for the movement, for the fight. So how this was made possible? Salt Satyagraha. Salt is a very simple thing. But Gandhiji used salt because salt is connected to everybody. So every family, every person, irrespective of their business they do, their social status, everybody uses to salt. Everybody uses salt. So salt is connected to everyone. So Gandhiji used such a simple salt as a tool to do the Satyagraha, salt Satyagraha. Right? So by that everybody connected to that and everybody involved in salt Satyagraha. It united rich and poor against colonial exploitation. Because of this salt Satyagraha, rich and poor people joined together. So another success of Satyagraha is non-violent alternative to violent revolts. So I told you before Gandhi, many people revolted against the British, but those were violent revolts. So which caused a lot of deaths, killings of the leaders and rulers, right? So Gandhiji selected Satyagraha as a non-violent alternative, without any violence, just, okay, they are showing their disobedience to the British law. So that is Satyagraha. He provided a disciplined and peaceful path of resistance. People are not, accepting the British rule. People are resisting the British rule, but in a peaceful way. That is Satyagraha. So this reduced the uncontrolled violence. Because of the Satyagraha, it reduced the uncontrolled violence and gained wider support. Many people could participate since it is non-violent. Many people could step out of their homes because it is a non-violent method. They are not going to carry the sticks and other weapons to fight. Just they are stepping out to give that agitation, do the protest, give their slogans. They are coming out into the streets. Only this way they protested the British. Okay. So these are the successes of Satyagraha. Now let us see the limitations of Satyagraha. Even Satyagraha could not bring independence in 1 or 2 years. Many years it took, 1920 to 1947, these many years, 2 mass movements. There were so many failures even. See what are the reasons. What are the limitations of Satyagraha? Sudden withdrawal of the movement. When one movement was started, like non-cooperation movement, when it reached everybody and all are participating, when it gained some momentum, at its peak momentum, suddenly some kind of violence was caused and Gandhiji used to call off the movement. So when everybody is ready for the movement and everybody is motivated, everybody is committed to do the movement, suddenly if the movement is called off, there will be a lot of disappointment. So this disappointment, many supporters and weakened the momentum. For example, non-cooperation movement, when it was at its peak and going on, suddenly it was withdrawn because of Chauri Chaura incident, because of that incident, right? So next, uneven participation. So what is the drawback of this Swaraj, Satyagraha, uneven participation? Because why people are asked to do Satyagraha, that is for Swaraj, what is for the self-rule. But all the people are not knowing what is the self-rule, what is the benefit of self-rule. They are looking for their personal benefit. For example, peasants are there. They are looking for their land relief. Okay. And workers, their problem is they want high wages. They are not bothered about Swaraj. They don't know Swaraj, what it brings to them. But they want higher wages. And business class, they want some protection. They want some tax exemptions like that. So everybody, they were having their own goals and they were not completely towards that Swaraj. Swaraj means it's a different thing for them. It is different for different people in their idea. So for workers, it is higher wages. peasants land relief, and business class it is protection. So this was one of the limitation. Next, limited support from some communities. So for Satyagraha, all communities could not give their full support. Some communities, they could not give their support to Satyagraha. Why? Who are they? Many Muslims, they felt alienated due to issues. So many Muslims, after the non-cooperation movement, for the civil disobedience movement and other movements, they were not completely participated due to collapse of Khilafat movement. Earlier Khilafat movement was done. So it was a failure, collapse of Khilafat movement. And after that, growing communal tensions between these two communities, Muslim communities and Hindu communities, non-Muslim communities. So they felt they are alienated. Okay, we are not given that much priority in the Congress. We are not given that much importance there in that. So because of that feeling, some people, they got separated. They did not actively participate in the other movements, Satyagraha movements. Even Dalits, one is Muslims, the other one is Dalits, felt Congress did not adequately address the caste issues. They felt that, okay, Gandhiji considered the problems of Dalits, Gandhiji considered, Congress party also considered, they have given some kind of arrangements to them, but still they felt like they were not given proper, adequate importance in the Congress party or in the freedom, okay. So that was the thing. All communities could not participate in that Satyagraha. So limited support from some communities, not all, some communities. However, with all these movements, finally we got independence, right? But here we are discussing, are there any limitations, drawbacks to the Satyagraha also, that we are discussing. And these limitations are reason for the delay of the process. So it took so long. What are the reasons that we have seen here? And what are the successes also we have seen? Successes of Satyagraha also we have seen. So the next limitation of Satyagraha is economic hardship for the poor. So Satyagraha, it was a good measure, it was a good method for the freedom fight. But during Satyagraha, people used to boycott certain foreign goods like foreign cloth and foreign schools and colleges. Then what is the alternate? So people were advised to wear the khadi cloth, but it was expensive. Poor people could not afford khadi. They used to depend on the foreign mill products, mill goods, which are very cheap. So they could not afford. And small traders and poor weavers, they suffered because of boycott of foreign goods. So khadi was expensive, and making in that participation in the Satyagraha, it was difficult for them. They could not buy khadi. So economic hardships for the poor. All cannot afford, withstand the effects of the Satyagraha. And the other one, British power not immediately ended. It was not a revolt. It was not a fight, direct violent fight. It was a process. It was a method, very slow and gradual. So there was a great delay. British power not immediately ended by the Satyagraha. Movement after movement, finally, so it made to that freedom. So despite mass movements, British rule continued and political freedom was delayed. So these are the limitations of Satyagraha. So what were the successes part of Satyagraha? One is mass participation. It could bring many people into the movement. Moral pressure on the British, national unity and political awareness, successful mobilization through simple issues, non-violent alternate to the violent revolts. So this is all about Satyagraha, its benefits, its advantages and its limitations. And if you want to see the full lesson Nationalism in India, please click the link given in the description of this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video, liked this video. This will help you in your exams. And for more interesting videos of this kind, please subscribe to Gradebooster channel. And if you want any other topic from any of the lessons, please mention them in the comments box. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Gradebooster. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please like the video.
Please share this video with your friends. Please subscribe to Gradebooster channel. Press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. Check the description to find links of other useful videos. Check the end screens for our new videos.